Do you want to know how to measure the clicks of your call to action buttons? If that's the case, then keep watching this video. Welcome to our YouTube channel. This is our first video on YouTube. In this video, we'll talk about how to track clicks on buttons using Google Analytics 4. We'll walk you through step by step on how to set up button click tracking with GA4 and Google Tag Manager. By end of this video, you will have the confidence to track clicks of any button and gain valuable data-driven insight. So let's dive right in. Now let's begin with setting the Google Tag Manager. I have already done the basic account setup for Arna Softech. So you can set up the account for website and click on the respective account name. Here is how it will look like. Let's start setting the event tracking for one of the element on Arna Softech. Here is the website which I have already kept on my browser, and for the get a code button in the footer we will track the conversions happening. So there is a button that we will be tracking. The very first thing we will do here is setting the variables. We'll go through the variable configuration and check all the variable ticked or not. As this event is related to button and landing on the page, we need to check all the variables related to page as well as the clicks. It is essential to track how users navigate our site and on which element or level they are clicking. Now go back and let's create a new trigger. Here you can name this trigger as per your convenience and is to remember. I have already copied that button name, so I'm just filling it here. Click on trigger configuration and select all elements because we are tracking all the elements here. After this, we'll select some clicks because we just want to track event on a button. We'll specify when our trigger should be fired. So we'll put conditions here. We'll choose to click text which need to be contained get a code text and it should be matched with the label of the button. Save it. Now let's create and fire a tag. We'll start with creating new tags. We will click on new, name it. Clicking on tag configuration and choose analytic for event. Select the configuration tag of GA4. Put the event name here and set the parameters. We can choose additional information also. Here we will name a parameter which is click text. We'll choose the value. We'll choose click URL. Then go to triggering and choose the condition we have applied and save it. After saving, we need to check whether our tags are firing or not. Let's preview it. Click on preview, fill in the URL and connect. To check that our tags are firing, we need to click on the Get a Code button in real time on the website. Again bounce back to GTM and you will see that our tags are being fired. And in a summary, you can also check that the Contact Us page has been loaded after clicking on the Get a Code button. Well, all set. Now we will publishing our tags so it can count how many users have clicked on them. Now you want to check how it will look in real time? Let's go. Open GA4 and go to admin and then click on events. Choose debug view and here you can see count of get a code button. Hope this video is helpful for you. In our next video, we'll talk about the migration of UA to GA4. Till then, stay tuned and like and subscribe for more updates.